Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have two amazing and very useful application for you, and I'm sure you will surely like it and you won't believe that these applications actually exist. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first application in my list is Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Yes, that is an amazing application. With this application, you can able to recover all your lost photos which you have lose from your phone. It doesn't matter when did you lose it. Let me just open it and let me show you how this application properly work and what exactly you need to do. Now, this is the interface which you will be getting when you open this application, and here you have to just click on this Start Basic Photo Scan. Click on this one, and the moment you click on this one, it will ask you to allow some permission, and then it will start recovering all your photos which you have lose from your phone or you have deleted by mistake from your phone, because sometimes we delete some photos from our phone but we need those photos in our phone. So you see this one, all these photos are getting recovered in my phone. Right now I don't have these photos in my phone, but I'm getting recovered all these photos one by one. It hardly take few seconds to get it recovered in my phone, and the best part is it doesn't matter when did you click that photo in your phone, you can able to recover it in this application. This is a unique application and very useful as well. Now to recover this one, what you need to do, simply have to press any one of them. Let's suppose I want to recover this photo. Click on this recover on the bottom. It will give you three options. Click on the first one here, and then you will be getting three options on the bottom. Select your WhatsApp, Gmail, anywhere, and then send this photo on your WhatsApp like this. See this, it is being sent. Now you can able to open it and you can able to use it. So this is how you can able to use this application, which is very useful for you. You must try this one if you want to recover it. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application in my list is Split Cloud Double Music. Yes, that is also a unique and very interesting application. You will surely like it. Let me just open this one and open this application, and it will be open up like this. Now what exactly this will do for you? With this application you can able to listen two songs in one headphone. Yes, if you are two friends and you want to listen two different songs, then you can able to connect your headphone with your phone, and there is a two music player you will be getting, wherein you can able to listen two different songs in this application. First of all, you have to click on this album on the top. It will take you to the songs. On the top you will be getting popular, trending, radios, every kind of options here you will be getting. Simply you have to select any one of them, and then you have to come back. Now this song is being selected here. Click on this album again here. Select the second song from here and then come back. Now you have selected two songs. Now you have to just turn it on from here, and when you turn it on, both the songs, and your headphone is connected with this, you can able to listen both the songs in one headphone. And that is really amazing and very unique concept of this application, which actually exists in internet. In one headphone, two different songs. So try this application as well. Link of both the application I have already given in the description. Check those links from the description. Any question related to this, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.